This is a room tour of 5647 here at the Wynn. As you come in, you've got a nice hallway with a massive mirror to the right. To the left, you've got your storage, iron and ironing board, good amount of hanging space, a luggage rack, and your safe, and some spare blankets at the top. Go back into the bathroom. Got a very nice large shower with products, body wash, lotion and shampoo. Artwork just above, very deep bath, and a beautiful setup, twin vanity. Again, that comes with your towels. It's got lighting. You have hairdryer, and then you've got the amenities. You've got a shower cap, clean your shoes, body lotion, and some necessities with some cotton buds there as well. You've got a magnifying mirror as well, and some really nice robes. There's two there. So if we go into the main boudoir, you have a little bit of storage here on the right hand side. Table and two chairs. Your phone with Alexa over there. Oh, just set her off.
I'm not quite sure how to help you with that.
Thank you. Swivel around. You've got the tablet which controls a magnitude of things, including the telly, and your controls for the drapes, etc. there. You've got more sockets here. There's a USB-AC and an American plug. Another phone. Very nice large bed. This probably doesn't do it justice how big this room is, but it's nice. On that side you've got the same. You've got USBs and a socket. You've got the telly, which does swivel out this way. And then you've got your do not touch area. So look, there's your do not touch fridge. Very snazzy this, where the cups are. And then you've got two swivel chairs, a little table to enjoy the view, which I will show you in a minute. And then just over there you've got your controls. So let me just turn off the light and I will show you the view of this panoramic room. And that is it. So thanks for watching. That was my room tour of 5647 here at the Wynn Hotel.